Well, rape, of course, is a horrible and heinous crime, but you may be surprised to hear it is not a justification for the use of deadly force, according to the Tennessee Code.
Lawmakers made the discovery on Monday, and as News Channel 5's Kyle Horan learned, one says he's going to do their best to change that law.
The healing process can take years.
In Michael Sammis's office at the Sexual Assault Center in Nashville, he's seen a lot of pain. Sometimes he deals with indescribable trauma, but he tries to help people open up using tools like this sand tray. The same parts of the brain that deal with the fight, flight, or freeze instinct. Sammis says it's the same part of the brain that activates when someone is sexually assaulted.
So to say that one specific kind of trauma or attempt at violation like that isn't a justified cause for someone to defend themselves is completely contrary to what's possible in the human brain.
So there's a disconnect between what Sammis believes, but also what the Tennessee State Code says about rape. It's not explicitly listed as a justification for the use of deadly force. The threat of causing bodily harm is listed, as is the fear of death. This disparity was found by members of the state legislature in a meeting on Monday, but according to Representative Brandon Ogles, it's something that should be listed in there.
You have to articulate, you have to show injury, you have to have that victim testify that they were in fear of something more aggressive happening, when in fact the act of rape is very aggressive. It's very invasive. It leaves scars that last a lifetime.
Ogles says he will bring a bill to change the code in 2020, though he doesn't have any specific legislation written yet. Kyle Horan, News Channel 5.
Even though the code doesn't specifically list rape, it doesn't mean it's been a challenge for those defending victims in the court, but it will give the courts a statute to look at when referencing cases of sexual assault and self-defense.